Well, my name is Louise Strassner. I'm a professor in the Chemistry, Geoscience, and Physics department, and I've been mentoring Jason.
I'm Jason Peckel. I'm a undergrad student here at Edgewood, senior year. Yeah, so what we're doing is we're taking a look at some samples that were collected from Lake Wingra, from sediments around the lake, and running it through one of our instruments, looking at heavy metal contaminants, things that are toxic to humans especially. Seeing what they were finding there, and then asking questions about what that means when we're finding that stuff in the sediment. For me, it's kind of a way to get back to the community, the Edgewood community, Lake Wingra community, by taking a look at the sediments, asking questions about the possible contaminants that are there and how that can impact the entire community that lives around Lake Wingra. My daughter last year was diagnosed with cancer, and she ended up passing in September. And when we got the original diagnosis back in February, one of the first things me and my wife did was start to go around our own environment at our house, looking for anything type of contaminant that could have caused or aided in her illness. And then by looking at Lake Wingra sediment and looking at the different toxic sediments that could be in there, I feel like I'm doing the same thing for the entire community by taking a look at those and asking questions of what that means when we find them in there. It also has opened my eyes to farther what we're being taught in class about research and the questions and how important they are.
It's really valuable to have students come in with a completely different perspective and no preconceived notions about a particular project or what results we'd expect to see. So that's very valuable for me. The work that he is doing in analyzing these sediments in this particular way means that going forward we've got a method and sort of a protocol for treating these additional samples. And so it also sets the foundation for a completely different avenue of research for students that will come to Edgewood to do research in the years to come.